So guys, I'm working on this Samsung Galaxy A21 and I just want to show you that right now it is not charging. It is not charging. We have the charging cable in and you can see the strip here that is responsible for delivering the 5 volts to the motherboard, right? You can have a fault with the charging board or the port or this connection area. So basically when I hold this area, you can see that amps are going through. We have about 0.30 something there when I hold this area. So you can see 0.23 amps there and it just dropped. And if we hold here, so definitely we have a short right here. So that's how I know it is charging. As you can see, it says 0%. So if you have one of these phones, you're not getting a charge. It doesn't necessarily have to be the charging port. It can be a flex problem issue, especially if you have dropped your phone a lot. So we're having a problem here, and I believe the problem is coming from the flex itself. So I'm just going to put some flux on it and probably just resolder the pins on the flex. So I'm just going to clean it off with some rubbing alcohol. This is just to ensure that all the pins on this connector is soldered properly. So guys, actually we're finished here. You can see that the phone is charging without any issue. We had a slack connection at the back of this ribbon. So yeah, I hope that this one was helpful, and if you're new to my channel, do go right ahead, like, share and subscribe.